Hey, what's up people, it's a boy Joy here, back again with another video. So yeah, you can see a different interface as I am on my mobile now, and this is an Android phone. So you pretty much know by the title about what is going to happen in this video. So yeah, I will show you how to set up the OBS Streamlabs onto your mobile so that you can live stream for your mobile directly, and maybe some on the rest video I will show you how to do a live stream from your desktop, and also in the video I will show you how to record a video, that how I record a video for the YouTube. So that was the intro part. So let's begin with this video. First we will go up to the Play Store, and here you can you will search what Streamlabs. So we will install this one, the first one that appears, and you can see the app here. You can stream to Twitch and YouTube, anything, etc. So this was especially a requested video from my friend, and he is also a YouTuber. You can check out his channel too. I can give the link in the description below. He is a gamer. His name is gaming channel name is Alcatraz Gaming STA. So yeah, this is like a collaboration video kind of, and he requested me to make a video on this one. So yeah bro, this is for you. So yeah, now we will click on the open. So now you can see here, log into your Streamlabs. So I will go for YouTube here. This part you will not be able to see, so let me insert my password here. So I will take the first one. Second one is my tech channel, that is where I upload programming videos. So I will not be uploading any or live streaming any gaming video there, so I will use my other account. So I don't want to continue anything on gaming. Just for this I am just using. So here you can see I am on the app now, and here you can select your alert box. So the first one is widgets. You can select your widgets. First one is the alert box, that will pop up a special message kind of, and second one is the event list, and the third one is the chat list, that YouTube chat will show up on the screen. Second one is the jar. I don't know what jar is, any kind sort of. The fifth one is the donation ticker. If anyone gives you a super chat, it will give you a donation message, a pop-up that he or she has donated something to you. And last one is the donation goal. So it is like for example, you have set a goal of $100 that you want to income from YouTube, so on donation. So you set the donation goal and $100, and if it completes it, it will give you a pop-up message. You like know that you can see streamers like Shroud does, or any other streamer like Ariminati does when they do a charity stream, etc., to get a rise bar. So yeah, we will just select alert box and enable camera and mic. So yeah, let us give permission, allow. So here you can see there no capture is added. So now we will just go to live stream. So this is the mic option. You can mute it, unmute it. You can change this is the camera option. You can record a video, and here is the live stream button. So we will just click on this one. Okay, so my phone's software is recording it right now. The screen recorder is on, so it is not been it is unable to record the stream. So I am just now switching off the screen recorder and going live through this one, and I might add this up on the next part of this video. So yeah, that was it. Yeah, in the editor section you can see the stream. so I am just making it bigger. It will contain the full screen. Okay, so now you can see it here, and I think you will be able to see the full screen right now. So yeah, I am seeing it on my laptop that the full screen is showing. So I will just now go up to and pick a game. What else we can pick without PUBG? So I am picking up PUBG here. So it is being updated. I don't later one update has come. So now 8 MB. So now it has loaded. I'm not giving much sound, so you can't hear me later. I will collect it later. Let's just start a game. Let's start a small arcade game. Let's start a war. So yeah, that was the phone. I couldn't play PUBG Mobile as it lags a lot, so I play PUBG Lite. So I don't know where I am going. And subscribe to Vijay Bhumik, the channel, the main one, so it will help me to grow. We are already crossed 200 subscribers 2 days back. So yeah, congrats to everyone who helped me to achieve that one. And we already did cross 40 k views in overall channel. So yeah, bye bye. Now I am closing this one. Yeah, what I was telling about this one is the editor part. You can check that one. And yeah, you can add your face cam too. I don't need it right now. So yeah, bye bye, see ya, peace. I didn't have my time to edit the game name too. It is showing my Dream League Soccer's 2016 stream, and it is a private too. I will make it unlisted, and I will give the link in the description. So yeah, bye bye, see ya, peace.